Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of smart locks. We're talking about ditching those old school keys and upgrading to the future of home security. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest gadgets or just want a more convenient way to secure your home, you're in the right place. We'll be highlighting the top smart locks on the market, discussing both their positives and negatives. We'll cover everything from features and security to design and price, so you can find the perfect smart lock for your needs. We'll be taking a look at the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt, the Yale Assure Lock SL, the Ultra Lock U-Bolt Pro, and the Kwikset Halo Touch. So if you're ready to upgrade your home security and step into the future of convenience, grab your favorite drink, sit back, relax, and let's unlock the world of smart locks. First up, we have the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, a device that promises to revolutionize the way you secure your home. One of the standout features of the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is its ease of installation. You can have it up and running in no time. You don't need to be a tech whiz or a DIY expert to install this thing. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. It's designed to be a simple retrofit for your existing deadbolt, so you can keep your original keys just in case. This means no need to replace your entire lock system. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock also boasts seamless integration with a wide range of smart home ecosystems, making it a versatile choice for any smart home setup. Whether you're rocking Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomeKit, this lock has got you covered. You can easily integrate it with your existing smart home devices. You can control your lock with just your voice or manage access remotely from your smartphone. This adds a layer of convenience and security to your daily routine. Speaking of smartphone control, the August app is intuitive and user-friendly. It offers a range of features that make managing your lock a breeze. You can easily grant access to family members, guests, or even service providers with just a few taps on your screen. This is perfect for those unexpected visitors or scheduled maintenance. You can even set specific time frames for access, giving you ultimate control over who enters your home and when. This feature is particularly useful for Airbnb hosts or those who have regular service providers. Now let's talk about battery life. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock runs on batteries, and while they're not terrible, they're not the best either. You can expect to get a few months of use on a single charge, but it's something to keep in mind. Regular monitoring of battery levels is recommended. The good news is that the lock will send you notifications when the battery is running low, so you'll have plenty of time to replace them. This ensures that you're never caught off guard. The notifications are timely and give you ample warning, so you can plan to replace the batteries at your convenience. And if you're someone who forgets to change batteries regularly, you can always opt for the optional August Smart Keypad, which lets you unlock your door with a code. This adds an extra layer of convenience and ensures you're never locked out. Next up, we have the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt, a lock that screams premium in both features and design. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you can tell it's built to impress. The sleek, modern aesthetic is perfect for any contemporary home. One of the things that sets this lock apart is its built-in Wi-Fi. This means you don't have to worry about additional accessories cluttering your space. That's right, no need for a separate hub or bridge. This feature simplifies the setup process significantly. Just connect it directly to your home's Wi-Fi network and you're good to go. It's as easy as connecting your smartphone to your home network. This lock doesn't skimp on security either. It offers top-notch protection to ensure your home is safe. It's built like a tank and features a robust deadbolt design that can withstand even the most determined intruders. The materials used are of the highest quality, ensuring durability and longevity. Plus, it has a built-in alarm that will sound if anyone tries to tamper with it. This added layer of security can deter potential burglars. You also get all the smart features you'd expect, like remote access control, guest codes, and activity logs. These features make it incredibly convenient to manage who has access to your home. You can even pair it with your favorite voice assistant for hands-free operation. Imagine unlocking your door with just a simple voice command. But all this premium tech comes at a price. It's an investment, but one that pays off in terms of security and convenience. The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt is one of the more expensive smart locks on the market. However, the features and peace of mind it offers make it worth every penny. However, If you're looking for the best of the best in terms of security and convenience and don't mind paying a premium, this lock is definitely worth considering. It's a top-tier product that stands out in a crowded market. It's a solid investment that will give you peace of mind for years to come. Knowing that your home is secure with the latest technology is truly priceless. Let's move on to the Yale Assure Lock SL, a lock that's all about style and simplicity. This lock features a sleek, minimalist design that will complement any modern home. It's available in a variety of finishes to match your existing hardware. One of the standout features of the Yale Assure Lock SL is its touchscreen keypad. This sleek keypad is seamlessly integrated into the lock's design and lights up when you touch it, making it easy to use even in low-light conditions. You can enter your code directly on the keypad or use the Yale Access app to unlock your door remotely. Speaking of the app, it's just as well designed and user-friendly as the lock itself. You can easily create and manage user codes, view access history, and even receive notifications when someone unlocks your door. However, there's one thing you should know about the Yale Assure Lock SL. It doesn't have a physical key option. That's right, this lock is 100% keyless. While this might not be a deal breaker for everyone, it's something to keep in mind, especially if you're someone who likes to have a backup option. Now let's talk about the UltraLock U-Bolt Pro, a lock that's all about giving you options. This lock boasts an impressive array of unlocking methods, including a fingerprint scanner, a touchscreen keypad, a smartphone app, and even good old-fashioned physical keys. The fingerprint scanner is fast and accurate, allowing you to unlock your door with just a touch. The touchscreen keypad is responsive and easy to use, even with gloves on. And the UTech app gives you complete control over your lock, no matter where you are. You can grant access to guests, view access history, and even receive notifications if someone tries to tamper with your lock. However, while the UltraLock U-Bolt Pro excels in terms of features, its app experience could be improved. Some users have reported that the app can be a bit clunky and unintuitive at times. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind, especially if you're someone who values a seamless app experience. Overall, the UltraLock U-Bolt Pro is a solid choice for those who want a versatile and feature-packed smart lock. Last but not least, we have the Kwikset Halo Touch, a lock that strikes a balance between security, convenience, and affordability. This smart lock is designed to provide peace of mind while also being user-friendly and accessible to a wide range of users. Whether you're tech-savvy or just looking for a simple way to upgrade your home security, the Kwikset Halo Touch has something to offer. One of the standout features of the Kwikset Halo Touch is its fingerprint access. This feature allows you to unlock your door with just a touch, making it incredibly convenient for those who are always on the go. No more fumbling for keys or trying to remember a code. It's fast, reliable, and eliminates the need to remember a code or carry keys. Imagine coming home with your hands full of groceries and being able to unlock your door effortlessly. The fingerprint scanner is highly responsive and works seamlessly, ensuring that you can get inside quickly and without hassle. The Kwikset Halo Touch also features Kwikset Smart Key technology, which allows you to rekey your lock in seconds. This is particularly useful if you need to change your locks frequently or if you want to ensure that only certain people have access to your home. This is a great feature if you've ever lost your keys or need to change your locks for any reason. With Smart Key technology, you can easily rekey your lock without the need for a locksmith, saving you both time and money. You can also create and manage up to 250 user codes, making it easy to give access to family, friends, or service providers. This is perfect for households with multiple members or for those who frequently have guests or service providers needing access. The Kwikset app is also well designed and easy to use. It provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to manage your lock settings, user codes, and access history with ease. You can lock and unlock your door remotely, view access history, and receive notifications if someone tries to tamper with your lock. This remote access feature is particularly useful for those who travel frequently or want to keep an eye on their home while they're away. However, one thing to note is that the Kwikset Halo Touch has a shorter battery life compared to some of the other locks on this list. It's important to keep an eye on the battery level to ensure that your lock is always functioning properly. You can expect to get around 6 to 8 months of use on a single charge, which isn't bad, but it's something to keep in mind. Regularly checking the battery status through the app can help you avoid any unexpected lockouts. Overall, the Kwikset Halo Touch is a great option for those looking for a reliable and affordable smart lock with fingerprint access. Its combination of advanced features and user-friendly design makes it a standout choice for enhancing your home security. That's it for today's video on the top smart locks available right now. We've covered a range of options, from the easy-to-install August Wi-Fi Smart Lock to the feature-packed Ultra Lock U-Bolt Pro. Each lock has its own strengths and weaknesses, so the best one for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Do you prioritize ease of installation and smart home integration? The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock might be the one for you. Is robust security and a premium design at the top of your list? Consider the Schlager Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt, or maybe you're all about that sleek design and touchscreen convenience of the Yale Assure Lock SL. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments which smart lock you think is the best. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.